So hello children, welcome back. We are continuing with the chapter linear equations in two variables. Now we are going to start with the word problems. So till now you had the equations, you had to solve the equations. Then equations was given with unknown variable k. So you have to find the value of k. Then we also learned the various conditions for the lines to be parallel, intersecting or coincident. So now we are going to do the word problems. That is, the statement will be given and you have to first frame the equation and then solve the equations. So these are the applications of this concept. So Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. So total amount she is withdrawing is 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find out how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. So here we will put two variables x and y. Let x and y be the number of 50 rupees and rupees 100 notes. Okay. Now total number of Meena got rupees 25 notes in all. That means number of notes of rupees 50 is x number of notes and 100 is y number of notes. So together she has 25 notes. So x plus y equal to 25. So this is the first equation. Now the total amount she has withdrawn is 2000. So we will make another equation with that statement. So number of 50 rupee notes is x. So total 50 rupees, total amount will be 50 into x. So 50 into x. Then she got a few 100 rupees notes also. So we don't know how many. That is, we have taken as y. So 100 into y will be total number of 100 notes. Well, total value of 100 notes. So 100y. So both together you will get 2000. Hope it's clear. Suppose you had 5 10 rupee notes and 2 50 rupee notes. How do you find the total amount? You multiply 5 into 10 plus 2 into 50. The same thing we have done here. X 50 rupee notes and y 100 rupee notes. So 50x plus 100y will be 2000. So these are the two equations. Now you have to solve. So the solving is normal. You have already learned various methods. Now we can convert this equation 2 as x plus 2y divided throughout by 50. X plus 2y equal to 40. So this is equation 2. Now equation 1 we will write it again. X plus y equal to 25. Solve it. So here x and x are there. So we will subtract. So you will get 2y minus y is y equal to 15. Substitute in equation 1. You will get x is equal to 25 minus 15 equal to 10. So you have number of, so you have to write it down, number of x is 50 rupee notes. So number of 50 rupee notes is 10 and 100 rupee notes is 50. Next question. A library has fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. So in your 9th standard, you have learned the same, just single statements you have made. Hope you remember that. Particularly this type of question, you would have done it in your 9th standard. A library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. So let X be the fixed charge and Y be the additional charge. So Savita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days. So we will make the equation. Savita, she has kept it for 7 days. So first 3 days, it is fixed charges. First 3 days, fixed charge is X. Then after that, the remaining days only you have to charge, give the additional charge. So how many totally she has kept it for 7 days. So 3 days are gone. So 7 minus 3 is 4 days. So 4 into, for each day it is Y rupees. 4Y. So totally she has paid rupees 27. Now Susie. Similarly, irrespective of how many days you have kept, if you have to pay a fixed charge of X rupees, X plus, then she has kept for the kept the book for 5 days here. 5 days. So 3 days it is fixed charge. So she has kept for 2 extra days. So only 2 into Y she has to pay. Only for 2 days additional charge she has to pay. So X plus 2Y equal to 21. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now again solve these 1 and 2. We'll subtract 1 minus 2. So you will get X minus X gone. So 4Y minus 2Y is 2Y equal to 27 minus 1 is 6. So Y equal to 3. Substitute in 2, X plus 2 into 3, 6 is equal to 21. So from this you will get X is equal to 15. So fixed charge. So once you get X and Y, you cannot leave it like this. You have to write it separately. Fixed charge is X equal to rupees 15 and additional charge is rupees 3. Hope it's clear. Coming to the next question. 4 chairs and 3 tables cost rupees 2100 and 5 chairs and 2 tables cost rupees 1750. So whenever you have 2 situations, 2 cases are given, then this question is related to the linear equation, because similar questions you will get it in quadratic equations also. So here 4 chairs and 3 tables. So let us assume, let X be the cost of 1 chair and Y be the cost of 1 table. So what will be the first case? Case 1. 4 chairs and 3 tables. So 4 chairs means 4 into X plus 3 tables. So 3 into Y. The total is 2100. This is 1. Question 1. Then second is 5 chairs. So 5x plus 2 tables. 2 into y equal to total amount is 1750. Now solving 1 and 2. Now here you will multiply the first equation into 2. So 8x plus 6y equal to 4200, and the second equation with 3. So 15x plus 6y equal to 5250. Now you will subtract 3 minus 4. So 8 minus 15 is minus 7x. 6y is, we have eliminated 6y. Then 4200 minus 5250 will be minus 1050. So x is equal to minus 7 equal to 150. Substitute x is equal to 150 in equation 2. So 5 into 150 plus 2y equal to 1750. In either first equation or second equation, any of the equations you can substitute. So 2y is equal to 1750 minus 750. So equal to 1000. So y equal to 500. So we will write it down. Cost of one chair equal to rupees 150. Cost of one table is rupees 500. Next question. Reena has pens and pencils which together are 40 in number. If she has 5 more pencils and 5 less pens, then the number of pencils would become 4 times the number of pens. Find the number of pens and pencils. So again we will take, let x be the number of pens and y be the number of pencils Reena has. Now what is it given? Reena has pens and pencils which together are 40 in number. So first equation is x plus y equal to 40. So this is equation 1. Now if she has 5 more pencils, so what is the condition? Pencil is equal to x plus 5 and 5 less pens. Pens, number of pencils. Five less pens. So y minus 5. She has 5 more pencils. Oh, pencil is y, sorry. She has 5 more pencils. See, 5 more pencils means pencil is y I have taken. So y plus 5. And number of pens is x minus 5. Okay, so you have to be very careful while writing. Then the number of pencils would become 4 times the number of pens. So number of pencils here is 5, y plus 5 now. Y plus 5 equal to would become 4 times. 4 times means 4 into number of pens. Number of pens is x minus 5. So this is how you should write the statement. Read the question, and as you read the question, try to write the statement. Then it becomes very easy. So this is equal to 4x minus 5 or y minus 4x equal to minus 10. This is equation 2. Solve 1 and 2. Y minus 4x is equal to minus 10. Y plus x is equal to 40. So I'll subtract, because y and y same sign, so you have to subtract. If it is opposite signs, you will add. So minus 4x minus x will be minus 5x equal to minus 10. If you are not comfortable doing mentally, you can write it in the side like this. Don't write it here some children write it for minus 40 here, and then they do like this. Don't do all those things, because later on for checking you will find it difficult and confusing. So minus 10 minus 40 is minus 50. So from this you will get x is equal to minus 50 by minus 5 is 10. Substituting in equation 1, 10 plus y equal to 40. Therefore, y equal to 30. So we have taken x as the number of pens. So number of pens equal to 10 and number of pencils equal to 30. Sorry, have I made some mistake? I made a mistake. 4x minus 20. Sorry. 4x minus 20. So everywhere I have to change. So y minus 4x equal to minus 25. So y minus 4 is minus 25. Sorry. So minus 5x, so minus 65. Yeah. So minus 65. So x is equal to 13. So y will be equal to 27. So the number of pens is equal to 13 and number of pencils is 27. So hope it's clear. So keep practicing. These word problems need a lot of practice. So I'll see you again with more questions in my next video.